a selection for you now. We call it Jigging Burns. It has 3 songs by Robert Burns in it. The first one's called Kenmore's On in the Wa, which is a pipe march. Kenmore was a politician from Aberfeldy who wanted to get elected, and this was his election song. The second one's called Green Grow the Rashes O, which the Ulster men sang at the Alamo, so much so that the Americans or the Mexican army used to say, "There's those gringos singing again," you know. And the third one is Bruce's address to the army at Bannockburn, Scots Wahey. Here we go with Jigging Burns. Wahey, we will have split Scots from Bruce's after lane. Welcome to your glory bed, earthly victory. Now's the day and now's the hour. See the front of battle hour. See approach proud Edward's power, chains of slavery.